Look what we're gonna do. We're gonna go quickly through the new album by Who's Who, Jump, Scream, and Shout. Contains 14 songs and 10 80s demos. So here we go.
I remember sending these demo records to the record companies and the publishers too.
And here we go. It's reading the disc, and we'll go through them really quick for you.
That Jump, Scream, and Shout sounds great.
And then the next one.
Oh, I love this song. I Want You Now.
I Want You Now. And then the reimagined Ulterior Motives for piano, orchestra, and haunting vocals. Yeah, you've never heard Ulterior Motives like that before. And then we got...
Oh my God!
Who's it? Who's it? Well, just wait for the first vocal line to get out.
It's gonna be a long
Get it out here. Okay, there it is. Oh,
Well,
do you, I do.
Let
huh?
them guess what song this
I
is.
think this is.
Guitar plus solo. Oh, I love this song.
This is Love Is All I Got From You.
Oh yeah.
And keep in mind, these are all 80s demos. Memory
What song
banks.
is this?
This is Alley Brad, isn't it? Yeah.
Oh, this is great. You're in my memory.
Thanks,
You're
yeah.
in my memory.
Yeah. That's it. Oh, this is
What a Life.
Yeah.
This is a great song. What a life.
Nine lives, if love breaks four, you still have five. Well, I can't say away the master who jives, 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 jives.
That was Curious Hearts.
That was played at the Hippodrome.
Oh, I know what this song is.
This is your favorite, guys. And a 1, 2, China Girl. That's a good song.
What song is this?
This is what everybody wants. Hey, you guys gonna do that no turning back number?
Oh, is this what it is? Ain't no way.
Ain't no way we're turning
Oh my
back.
goodness, I forgot
Yeah.
These songs are so old.
Oh,
Walk like an
this is
angel.
from a couple of movies. This is Like an Angel. Great, great song. Oh, this is the instrumental of Honest to God. Great song. Come take
The radio edit?
and the radio edit of Ulterior Motives. And there you go. So thank you for everyone who wanted to get a CD. You got them. They're shipping now. And if you want another one, if you want one, there's only a few left. I swear it. And you better hurry. You only printed so many of them. And that's 14 tracks of Who's Who.
All those old demos that no one's ever heard or got yet, and they're all exclusive on the CD only.
Happy Christmas, everyone. Happy holidays.
And Jump, Scream, and Shout.